This is a video on how to mark orders out of the stock spreadsheet once the order has been sent to the warehouse. This can be done in two different ways depending on the order, whether it's a single pieces order like for a dropship customer or for a consumer, or if it's a trade order where it'll be carton quantities. So both spreadsheets are found in the stock holding in Dropbox. We'll look at the pick and pack. So this is the single pieces one first. So you open up the spreadsheet. So you will mark the date that the order has been sent to the warehouse. You will also mark the sales order number, which is found at the top of your delivery note. You will then tab across, and depending what products are on the order, you will use a minus figure to remove it from stock. You will then see that the current stock will be reduced by the number that you have entered. We also then go File and save that. The same applies if you are marking out in the main warehouse stock spreadsheet, which is carton quantities. So you open up the spreadsheet. Again, you will input the date that the order is sent to the warehouse in the date column, the sales order number, and then you'll mark out the quantity. Now, obviously, if you're marking out carton quantities, you're actually on the spreadsheet, you're marking out the single units. So, for example, if you were to mark out 003, that product comes in carton quantities of 6. So you'll be able to be marking it out in 6 or 12, 18, 24, all multiples of 6. The same can be said then for the 004. It comes in carton quantities of 2. So depending on how many cartons you've sold, you'll be marking it out in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10s. So you need to know how many units there are per carton for your product. Taking another example, the 008 only comes one product per unit. So if you sell one carton, which is one product, you're marking it out as one piece that's going out. So that's one carton is going out. Again, once you've inputted that information, you are File and Save. The only difference being updating the spreadsheet is that when we move stock from the main warehouse, as can be seen in this column, to the pick and pack spreadsheet. So obviously once we're notified by the warehouse to take a carton of stock out, we minus the figure here. So this will be that was minus 12, as can be seen there. But we need to input that into the pick and pack spreadsheet. So that can be seen as in here, where we input the date that it's moved, and it's a plus figure, giving then, because there's one sold, it'll give us our current stock figure here in this column.